Well, today's the day. We're going to kayak the river. Check out the river. Look at that. Isn't it just beautiful? Look at that bluff. That crisp water. We're going to swim in that. It's supposed to be 90 degrees today. See the smoke line out over the river. Just beautiful. It's going to be a good day. We're going to bring you guys along for our kayak trip down this, I don't know the name of it, river. Here we are out on the river kayaking. Beautiful day to kayak. The beautiful trees, the bluffs, everybody back there. Just gorgeous. And look. There's everybody on the river. There's Wyatt. Beautiful day. Stand up kayaking.
I do like the Power Rangers.
All these kids standing up on their kayaks. They got talent.
How many meetings have you gone to there?
It is a beautiful day out here. Look at those bluffs. Aren't they gorgeous? Beautiful river. Beautiful day for a float. Isn't this beautiful in the fall in October? And it's supposed to be 90 degrees today. It's so warm, so nice. Ooh-wee, it's beautiful out here. Fun place to kayak. Yeah. Hi, Sherry. Just beautiful. There's Wyatt. Wyatt's got a fish. He's got a big hole in him, big gash.
That's a chomp. It's probably from an alligator or something.
We don't got alligators in this river, but probably it looks like a boat motor, maybe.
Here, I'll throw
Hit
him
him.
out. Maybe he'll live.
There he goes. Got a big chunk on the side of him. You can't quite
Wait, let's
swim
show the
right.
parents. Let's show the parents.
Beautiful, beautiful sunshine. Beautiful out here. Fun day to kayak. Here we are out on the Northern Iowa River. What? Sure. We're having a fantastic time. Wish y'all were here. Gage is over there doing flips. Everybody else is back up the river. And I'm parked right here watching the show. He's going to do a flip for us over this log. Everybody follow along, pay attention. Here he goes. Woo! Awesome flip. Love it. And the water's very cold. Woo-hoo! All right, he's lining up to go again. He is going to do a flip right here for us. Look at this. Oh, he psyched himself out. No flip today. What up with that? Look at this beautiful bluff right here. Okay, here he goes. Woohoo! And this water is cold, baby. It's October. Looking good, Gage. Perfect. 10 out of 10.
What?
10 out of 10. Comes the whole group down the river. Waiting for Gage to do. He's been doing flips over there. Go ahead, Gage. I'm waiting. Gage, do your flip. I'm waiting.
Is it that deep over there? Oh my God.
It's deep enough. Woohoo!
I want to jump in. It's
Play it white.
and it's cold. That's all I got.
These bluffs. Isn't that gorgeous? Just look at that. so beautiful.
Push you back by your grandma. So I can get a picture of you guys.
Look at these beautiful bluffs right here. Aren't they extraordinarily just beautiful? Just beautiful. I think this is called Bluffton Campground we're staying in. And we float this river and you can see why it says that. Hiya. Hey, landing. Here comes Wyatt and Sherry. There she is. And the kids.
Did you stay here all this time?
She was here this whole time, yep.
With no one? Or someone?
There's Sherry and Ari.
Josie's going to get on the rock. She's heading for her. Will she make it? She's getting closer. Kids are heading to the rock in the middle of the river. Will they make it? Water's cold. Josie tapped out. Caleb tapped out. It's too far, too cold. Rock in the middle of the river. Way to get to the rock. They swam out to the middle and floated down. And made it to the rock. River Rock. You did it! Woohoo!
We're stuck!
Wow, you made it! Whoa, careful, Josie, careful! Don't hurt yourself. Here we are at the campgrounds this morning. It's a beautiful fall morning. It's not hot, not cold, breezy. The leaves are changing, beautiful blue sky. Like you get in fall. This is where we camped. That's our group of campers right there. Woo! A leaf landed in my hair and I thought it was a bug. Kids are playing over there. Wind's blowing right here. It's absolutely gorgeous here. Those beautiful trees. I'm just walking the dog. He's making it hard on me here, pulling me. Oh, it's just beautiful. I know I say that constantly, but I don't know how else to describe it. Well, I just wanted to bring you along to the campgrounds where we camped and then we kayaked yesterday. As you already saw that footage previously in this video. The leaves are just starting to change color. See the red and the tip up there? All just getting tipped with color. By the time I leave. Engage and Maya's at the top of the waterfall. Long ways up. Beautiful. This trail. See a waterfall. I'm out of breath. Ooh, but it's fun. But I'm not very good at this. The stairs behind me. I got all those stairs to go up yet. The waterfall's over here. Just a little ways further. And voila. There's the waterfall. It's beautiful. What's he gonna do? Don't you do a backflip and hurt yourself. You see? Wyatt?
Don't do anything silly.
Oh no, he don't have a helmet on.
He needs to wear a helmet all the time.
Oh, Gage. Ouch. Did you hurt your knees? Oh my
fine.
word.